Hello, everybody, and welcome to Retire by Investing. This is RC with another comprehensive market review, and today we will be starting with the VIX. Currently, right now, we are below the 15.28 level, so at 1490. Seems like we can go down to the 1411, which is a good area for swing traders in general when you're trying to put on a risk, less volatility. But again, we've been up or theoretically down for 3 days on the volatility, so it could pick up. Just be aware of that as we are coming into this week. The SPY in general is at all-time highs. There's really nothing to say. Should be long or getting long, although it is a lot harder with traction to do that, especially in the tech sector. So just FYI, if you are holding some of these positions and from dip buying, really good spot for you to just kind of sit back and relax as we are at this point where, you know, there's doing less is more at this point. My thoughts are is that we can go higher. We don't know exactly how high we can go. We are theoretically at a resistance point in terms of just this chart in general off this mini flag. But so that can literally pull up even farther than we think. It doesn't have to pull back just right now, especially when you look at how things happened way before here. There could be some consolidations, and that would be great if the MAs catch up. But what if they don't catch up? And that's the real question, right? So really have to put that into perspective. Should be thinking about getting long if you're not already. So just my 2 cents. RSP, all-time highs, flagging out again, as you can see, which is the reason for my other thesis for the SPY, why you can go higher than expected. So again, the 10 and the 20 on the RSP are pretty much, they're pretty close in my opinion. This is not really extended off the 50 SMA for the time being. So it seems like pressure is going to, or consolidation's happening, and we're going to be building higher and higher. For the Qs, that is also the same thing, but also getting above this area. I can't really say for the tech sector in general that we are quite there. We are in a trading environment where taking spots is really a good thing. Now, some consolidation would be great here, but again, it doesn't have to. It could pull up to 746 pretty much, and then eventually consolidate there. Or we can pull back here. That'd be great, like the 702s, 702 or 710 to 702 area, and then eventually go sideways and then just break out. We don't know what situation is going to happen, but those are the odds that are in our favor for a bull market in general. QQQE flagging almost near all-time highs. So I expect majority of the other like mid caps, small caps, all that stuff like that to start picking up, in my opinion. And that's off the QQQE because of the fact that this is a equal weighted. So it seems like the bull trend is pretty healthy now. So just FYI, you want to be positioned pretty soon, if not already, in either of these sectors or indexes. And this is also a good area to be buying in general if you're dollar cost averaging. So just be very aware of that. MDY all-time highs. I remember talking about this, like, we need to break above this. We did that, pulled back a little bit, and now we're breaking almost near all-time highs. IWM is flagging at all-time highs too in consolidation. So it's gonna be a pretty fucking great week. So hopefully, right? So that's all I got to say. You guys take care. Peace.